This is John with WATI. And now I don't have to go to the beach and sit in a long chair for quite a while to get a pina colada. So this is Goya's Pina Colada mix. So I saw this in the other day and I was like, interesting. I like pina colada. This is actually one of my favorite drinks. And when I got to try this, just put some ice in the blender and just put the whole mix. It has a little bit of the pulp of pineapple, and you blend it in. It just tastes it awesome, man. It's pretty full. It's filling. I took one glass with this, and it felt like I had a meal already. But if you're looking for a great contexture, like it's gonna taste great, it's gonna feel great, and if you're gonna get like the whole deal of a pina colada, you can do a cocktail with this, or you can just drink it on its own, and it's just gonna taste great. So this Goya Pina Colada mix is just awesome. This was John with WATI, and that was my point of view.